Hi guys, so I'm going to attempt to take you along with me today. I tried this last weekend, epic fail, so let's try it again this Saturday. Today's Saturday, May 22nd, and as of today, I am 18 weeks out, so getting closer and closer. Alright, I'm heading home. I just finished my fasted cardio session, about to head home and get in my breakfast, first meal. Alright guys. Alright guys, so I ate my first meal, and now I need to head to FedEx. Can y'all see me? Okay, there you go. I have to head to FedEx and take these tires back. So I was planning on getting a new set of rims and tires for my car, and so yeah, I was planning on getting a new set of rims and tires for my car, which I got the tires and I sized up to fit my rims that I would be getting, but my rims never came and it's been like a month. So I canceled that order, and so they should be giving me a refund for that. And I was able to send the tires back. So now I'm about to go drop them off, because when they came to do a pickup at my house, yeah, I wasn't there and my nieces didn't know what the deal was. So I'm gonna drop these off, and then probably go get my nails and toes did. Alright guys, so I have got my nails done. Got like a little nude, you can't really tell. Little color, they look good though. And got the tires shipped off. And yeah, so now I'm about to go back to the gym and do a shoulder and core workout. And then my friend called and she wants to go and get brunch, and I told her I would see what I can make work on the menu for my meal plan, or that'll fit. So probably gonna go out and have a little, probably more like a late lunch with her, because right now it's like 3, going on 3 o'clock. It's like 2 something, I think. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get a little bit of my workout in for you guys, and yeah. Alright guys, so today is Sunday, May 23rd. And so I'm just trying to get ready for the week. I have getting ready to prepare at least my proteins for the week, because I just steam my vegetables during the week. So I throw them in the microwave and then spread them out like that. So I'm gonna show you what I'm preparing right now. And so I have my salmon. I got to season that, and my chicken that I salmon with some black pepper. I'm gonna throw some Italian seasoning on there as well. And then over here I have my eggs boiling. So one for each day. I have my chicken seasoned. I went on ahead and cut it up so it'll cook quicker and I won't overcook it. So I'm about to season my salmon. I'm going to wrap it in foil and bake it. So I have the oven set at 400. See, I have the oven set at 400 degrees. And then I'm going to put that on, cook the chicken. And my eggs are already done. They're done. The oven set at 400. I'm going to cook chicken in here. I used a little bit of olive oil because I don't have any Pam spray. Forgot to get some. But yeah. Alright guys, so here's all my protein cooked. My chicken, my eggs, and then my salmon. I'm about to I'm gonna wrap it back up and let it like cook a little bit more on its own. I didn't want to overcook it in the oven, so I took it out a little early. But yeah, that is it. Alright guys, so that is going to conclude this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Got to see a little bit of meal prep for me. I'm trying to do better with that because lately I haven't been. Got a little bit of my workout recorded for you, and I will also throw in my check-in photos that I sent to my coach. Right now I'm sitting at 132.6, I do believe. I'm steadily losing about a pound a week, so that's good. And I still have 18 weeks to go from the show I plan to do. So, and I always say plan to do because me and my coach will talk it over and see how I'm progressing and see if I should do the show or if I should not do the show. So that is the plan. Yep. So that is it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're not subscribed, don't forget to click that subscribe button and follow along with me on my journey to stage. All right, guys, until next time.